The center started its operation in January 2024 and is an interdisciplinary innovation hub to develop and apply robotics and intelligent automation solution. The Center for Automation and Robotic Research is poised to become a leading hub for innovation in robotics and intelligent automation, recognizing the transformative impact of these technologies on industries worldwide.
KLE Tech is proud to be one of the most advanced implementers of project-based learning in India. We are deeply committed to equipping students with real-world problem-solving skills by immersing them in hands-on industry-relevant projects.
The students are proficient with 3D Experience CATIA application as part of their courses. At the center, the students delve more into the process modeling, simulation and validation, including virtual commissioning of manufacturing system, which requires knowledge from various domains.
Our belief is that students learn best through active engagement in complex challenges, honing both their technical and collaborative skills. The 3D Experience platform from Dassault Systems is essential to our PBL approach. It serves as the digital backbone for every project, providing students with seamless access to tools and resources that cover the entire life cycle of a project.
The center helps me get an hands-on experience with industry level tools like 3D Experience CATIA, which is used basically in many automation industries, automotive industries and many other manufacturing industries. By doing so, I have also developed my design thinking skills and problem solving skills.
Currently, I am working on the project which is the smart manufacturing assembly line. In the assembly line, we are working on multiple robots, conveyor system and an automatic storage and retrieval system, where the robots are used for the picking and placing of pallets and tiles. The center provides hands-on experience where the requirements of the industries are met. As a student, 3D Experience software provide multiple opportunities.
The 3D Experience platform also has a collaborative space where if we have any problem, we can post our problems on that space. Basically, it helps us to collaborate with different people around the world and exchange our ideas and improve ourselves along with the others.